Yeah, we're gonna do this as a DIY. All right, got a home. Time to go to work. This is going to be the largest project I've attempted by far. So the pry tool, I need to get the rest of these out. I have dropped. I don't know if you can see it. It's down there. Now that the grill is off, I can get the tool that I needed. So I've removed the grill. The bumper is next. Day one of the disassembly complete. Making progress. Still got a long way to go. I don't know if y'all know, those are working man's hands. Well, let me rephrase. When you're working on an automobile, turning wrenches, and it's cold outside, this is what it looks like. Hey bro, how you keep these flat joints from spinning? I done tried to put pliers against it. What's your trick? Okay. All right. Let's see. All right. She's done. All right. Finally got it off. Good work today. Day 2, and the bumper is off. Y'all already know I'm working on a project that I'll finish on a different day. Keep my bolts organized in Ziploc bag, and I'll leave myself little notes. This is to help the reassembly go smoothly. New parts starting to arrive for the truck rebuild. These are the new headlights. Thank y'all for rocking and riding with me. Y'all be blessed. Please subscribe so you don't miss the rest of the rebuild.